What are you guys doing?
They took this thing and they did it really far and then did it against my.
Alright, so.
No, I heard you. I'm just
Alright. We want this thing. So, look at this graph, guys. Yo, remember how I said we're gonna have homework time if you guys weren't talking? Okay. Graph on the board. Is that a linear equation?
Yes.
Of course.
Hey, what does the word linear mean?
Line.
Line means a straight line.
That's what I said.
Does that look like a straight line?
That's exponential.
Very good. That is exponential. So, today what we're going to talk about is we're going to differentiate between linear regression and exponential regression. Population grows at an exponential rate, right? The more people you have, the more people are going to produce. So, it grows exponentially. It doesn't grow on a straight line. So, okay, act like you know the table, please. Thank you.
Dude, I'm panicking.
What is going on?
Somebody stole my wallet.
Ethan, you're going to not worry about it until we're done with our notes.
But it cost like $300.
You are not going to worry about it. Hey, when we're done with notes, you can go searching wherever you need to go. Okay, but let's take notes. Alright. So, how do we tell the difference between a linear and an exponential regression is pretty easy. Right? Take your graphing calculator out. Go into Stat Edit again. And what I want you to do, there's a table on your paper. I want you to put the first column in list 1. I want you to put the second column in list 2. Because what's going to happen on the homework today, they're going to give you a set of data, and they're going to ask you, is this a linear or an exponential regression? So go ahead, put them into your 2 lists. List 1, list 2.
Yes, you.
What did you say? It still isn't as bad as 7th hour last year. They're bad.
We were in 7th hour.
Last year. Oh.
I don't want to break that. Who was in that?
Aiden Martin, Nate Sausted,
Yeah, why did you, I'll have it look for it $300.
Okay. Hey, when you finish putting it in your list, just be quiet.
I wanted to make it practice check.
Ethan. No. Do you have a calculator?
Well, I can look.
Hey, do we all have our list in? Okay. That's why I asked the question. Quick. The attitude. No, we're not going to calculate yet. Because what's going to happen?
Never said anything. Don't say that. I dare you drop that. You won't.
I have not yelled at this year, and we are getting very close.
I don't want to be the one.
All right. So, guys, please be quiet. Yep. On the homework, it is going to give you a set of data, like you just did. It is going to ask you, is this a linear or exponential regression? You're going to put them into your list as we just did. To tell the difference, what you're going to do, you're going to hit zoom 9. And it should pop up all the points you just put into your list. Well,
It looks like that.
did it work?
Yes.
If it didn't work, check your y equals. Make sure it is cleared. And make sure your plots are on. So if it doesn't pop up, you need to hit y equals. Make sure there's nothing in there and make sure your plot 1 is highlighted. Okay? Once you hit zoom 9, it should look like this, correct? Can you tell what type of equation is this? Is linear or exponential? Exponential. So to calculate an exponential regression equation, we're going to go back to stat calculate again, but we're not using linear regression anymore. We're going to go all the way down.
Quad.
If you look, 0 is exponential regression.
Stop it.
You're going to click enter on that. It's the same thing. Our X list is in list 1, our Y list is in list 2. You hit calculate.
We'll pay. 349.
Hold on, hold on,
Mr. I can't.
Where's the?
hold on. Just deep breath. Once I get through it all, I will explain it again.
No.
Okay?
This is what I see.
Thanks for sharing.
Okay. Notice something about the exponential regression. Is the equation the same as the linear?
Nada.
No. Instead of y equals mx plus b, it's y equals a times b to the x power. So when you go to write your equation for an exponential regression, yes, write down what a equals, write down what b equals, but you're going to plug it in, it's going to look different than y equals mx plus b. So on the homework, when it says write an equation for this exponential regression, it should be in the form y equals a times b to the x. Alright? So I go in here, write my equation, y equals, what was a?
349, 53.
349.53 times, what was b?
1.0.
1.0, 1.01?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1.01 to the x power. And that's your exponential regression equation. That's as far in depth as we're going to go,
All year?
right? Well, right now
on
on
the
this,
test.
right? What?
This is on the test?
I'm not sure. I don't think it is. I know it's on the homework for sure. That's why we're going through it, right?
Oh.
I gotta look. Our test isn't until next Monday. Like I said, not next Monday, following Monday.
Oh.
So I haven't looked at the test yet.
That much.
However, that's it. That's all we need to do for our homework tonight. Is it's going to ask us either, it's going to tell us it's exponential, we're going to ask you for the equation, or it's going to be like, hey, is this a linear exponential regression? You need to plug it into the list, like we just did. You hit stat, edit, plug in your list, hit zoom 9, and you're going to be able to tell whether it's linear or whether it's exponential. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Okay. Any questions?
I asked him, I typed it in right, but
No,
like,
Okay, I will check it once I stop this. Okay.
Oh, you're scared?
This is not my fault. This is not my fault.
Hi. Subscribe, swipe up.